Polynomials are expressions that consist of variables and coefficients. And monomials make up polynomials. And I have a special friend here today that will talk to you about adding and subtracting polynomials. Please.
If you don't think you'll use this in life, even me, Abraham Lincoln, uses it. Here's my favorite song that introduces you to adding and subtracting polynomials.
Just turn it up.
Mama said it, so I know I gotta get it, or I might have to cut it in the session independent. P-O-L-Y-N-O-M-I-A-L-S, get an A-O-L-S. Mama said it, so I know I gotta get it, or I might have to cut it in the session independent. So let me tell you what I've learned. A polynomial with only one term is a monomial, and there are several degrees. A cubic to the power 3, a quadratic power 2, a linear power 1. Constant power is none.
That was really good, Abe.
I know.
Like that.
As you heard in the video, a monomial is one term, a cubic is to the third power, and a quadratic is to the second power. Linear is to the first power, and constant is to the power of 0.
In this example, y plus 3y squared, x to the third, a squared bc to the 12th, 5x minus 2y plus 4z, 3x squared, 2x plus 1. There are a few polynomials and monomials. So the polynomials in this would be y plus 3y squared, 5x minus 2y plus 4z, and 2x plus 1. The monomials only consist of one term, so it would be x to the third, a squared bc to the 12th, and 3x squared. Go.
Now, on to adding polynomials. To add polynomials, you combine like terms. You should write in standard form as well.
For this example, you're going to want to start with the highest degree, and in this case it's to the 4th power. So, you're going to add those together, so you get 8x to the 4th. Then you move on to the next one, which is to the 3rd power. Oh, there's no more, so you just keep that one as it is. And the next one is to the 2nd power, so you're going to add those together to get 10x squared. And then we've got this one, but that one doesn't have one over here, so you just add that one down. And then lastly we have our constant, we just add that to the end. So our finished product should be 8x to the 4th minus x cubed plus 10x squared minus x plus 2.
Now we do the same thing with this equation. Start with the highest degree. In this case, it's 2. Add them together, get 7x squared. Next, we do the next highest, and we get x. Lastly, add together the numbers with no variables, and we get -5.
Now for the last added example, we're going to do the same thing we did before, but you can try this on your own, and we'll write the answer on the board. This is what you should have gotten when you're all done.
Subtracting polynomials is the same as adding, except you subtract. So you will continue to combine like terms. One thing you must also remember is that you have to distribute the negative to everything inside the parentheses. The first thing we're going to do is distribute the negative to everything inside of the parentheses. which will make it negative 6x squared plus 9x minus 3 plus 18x cubed. Next, we will subtract all like terms, starting with the highest degree, which is 3. You then add 12 plus 18, since we changed the sign of it when distributing the negative, and end up with 30x cubed. Next, we will subtract negative 8 minus 6 and get negative 14x squared. Then you go and add 5 plus 9 and get 14x. And lastly, we subtract 19 minus 3 and end up with 16.
That should be your answer. For this next example, we're going to do the same thing we did in the other one. So first, we're going to distribute our negative. So we're going to, this problem right here is going to turn into negative 2x plus 6x minus 12. Then we're going to combine like terms. So we're going to start with our highest one, which is to the second degree. So that would be 3x squared minus 2x. So we would get x squared. Then we're going to take our next one, which is to the first. So negative 8x plus 6x is minus 2x. Lastly, we're going to take negative 12 plus 7, and we're going to get negative 5. So our answer would be x squared minus 2x minus 5.
For the last subtracting example, we have 3x to the fifth minus 9 minus 11 plus 3x squared minus x to the fourth minus 10x squared plus x to the fourth. This equation is the same as the last two. It just includes one more polynomial, so we still go about it in the same way. We'll let you try on your own first while we write the answer on the board, so you can check if you're right.
This is the answer you should end up getting. 3x to the fifth minus 23x squared minus 20. And now there are 3 practice problems on your sheet for you to try on your own.